Good afternoon to one and all present here. So I'm going to deliver a topic on prefabrication. So now the prefabrication is fast moving construction method in a civil engineering era. So prefabrication is nothing but practice of assembling components of a structure and transporting complete assembles to the construction site. Consists of prefabricated individual units or assemblies. Principles of prefabricated construction: to affect economy in cost, to improve the quality as the component, to speed up the constructions. So why we are interrupting that precast construction means there is no curing is necessary for precast construction, and also the materials available for the precast construction is very cheap, and it is also local available materials are used. Need for prefabrication: the sites which are not suitable for normal construction method, the structure which are used repeatedly, for examples ex-shelter, bus stand, security cabin, site offices. While we are constructing these type of structures in prefabricated, the load occupying part is very minimum. Process of prefabrication: the conventional method of building house is to transport bricks, timber, cement, sand, steel, and construction aggregates. In prefabricated construction, only the foundations are constructed in this way. It can be easily lifted into a place by a crane. Advantage of prefabrication: self-supporting ready-made component, formwork shuttering and scaffolding is greatly reduced, construction time is reduced, earlier return of the capital invest. So that is nothing but the earlier return of the capital invested means what we are putting that money for making constructions, it automatically the maintenance cost is gradually reduced when compared to ordinary reinforced building and steel building. Quality control can be very easier. So because we are using prefabricated structures, so already the quality of the material can be very easy, and also it is good at enough. It can be located where the skilled labors are easily available. Less workers are needed while constructing this prefabricated construction. Disadvantages of prefabricated construction: careful handling of prefabricated components like beam, column, slab or any walls. If you are misusing, that is handling of misused elements, it will break up or it will lead to collapse of entire building. Leaks can form at joint if not proper joining is done by using of bolt or weld or any other cement paste. If not at all done a good thing, so automatically the leakage will happen. Transportation's cost may be higher. Large prefabricated structure require heavy duty cranes. Local jobs are lost due to prefabrication. Main reasons to choose precast construction method over conventional unsuitable methods: economy in large scale project, architectural requirement in finishing, other space and environmental constraints, site resources. So site resources means it have materials and labors or cheaply available for making the prefabricated construction. So we can use, this is a conventional method nowadays. Materials used for making the prefabricated structures: steel, treated wood, aluminum cellular concrete, lightweight concrete, ceramic products, etc. From these all the material we are making the prefabricated structures as a good quality wing. What are the characteristics to be considered while designing a prefabricated structures? Easily handling and transport, thermal insulation property, sound insulation, and durability in all weather conditions. If you are using prefabricated structures in cold and hot countries means automatically it can withstand the temperature up to the maximum, so it can have good durability properties. Next we'll move on to the modular coordination. It is the when we can go for the size and depth ratio. The basic model is an adapter, the size of which is selected for general application to the building and its component. The value of the basic model is chosen as 1000 mm for maximum flexibility and its convenience. The symbol for basic model is M. So 1 mm is equal to 100 mm, where 100 mm equal to 1 mm. It is the international standard value for the modular coordination of prefabricated structure. The entire structure is fully based on this 1000 mm. The aims of modular coordination. The main major objectives to assess the building designs, whether our building design is entirely safe up to the modular coordination. The specific objectives of this main modular coordination is the design works enable buildings to be so dimensionally. Models. The models are a standard unit of size used to coordinate the dimensions of the building and components. Factors influencing standardization: the point of production, assembly, serviceability, and economy, to limit the number of types of elements and to use them in large quantities. And last, one more topic, that is a transport. To transporting the prefabricated elements in various systems such as wakes, trucks, bullock carts, and more care to be taken to avoid excessive cantilever actions and desired supports are to be maintained. Thank you.